Have you ever opened a medical bill and thought, what is all this? Today, I'll show you how to read a medical bill step by step so you don't overpay or get confused again. First, look at the top section of your medical bill. This shows your name, date of service, and provider information. Always check your name spelling, date of visit, doctor or hospital name. If this is wrong, the bill can be wrong. Next, you'll see who charged you. This could be a hospital, a doctor, a lab, or even an anesthesiologist. Now, this part scares most people, CPT codes. CPT codes are just medical service codes. For example, doctor visit, blood test, X-ray. You don't need to memorize them, just check. Does the service look familiar? Did you actually receive it? This is very important. Insurance, almost never pays the full charge, and charge stipulates what the provider billed. Allowed amount stipulates what insurance agrees to pay. Here you'll see what your insurance paid. This depends on your plan, deductible, copay, coinsurance. If your deductible is not met, insurance may pay little or nothing. This is the amount YOU may owe. It includes deductible, copay, coinsurance, non-covered services. This is not always final. Always wait for your EOB hours. Your EOB is not a bill. It explains how insurance processed your claim. Always match services, dates, amounts. If they don't match, fail, call billing. Common medical billing mistakes include duplicate charges, wrong CPT codes, services you never received. Worlds. Yes, when medical billing errors are very common in the USA. Never ignore a medical bill. Understanding it can save you hundreds or even thousands of dollars. If this helped you, like, subscribe, and comment at UUBLG for more patient support videos.